Artificial intelligence and interactive technologies are redefining scientific reading. With new intelligent systems that enhance navigation and provide real-time explanations, researchers can now engage with papers more efficiently and effectively. Join us as we speak with Joseph Chang to discuss the Semantic Reader Project.
The Semantic Reader Project is a collaborative effort between nonprofit, industry, and academic research institutions. It has three pillars. The first one is research, where we combine AI and HCI research to develop intelligent reading interfaces for research papers. And then we take the best ideas to build the second pillar, which is a product that is freely available online, where hundreds of thousands of users every month use it to read papers. And then finally, the third pillar, where we open source all our software. We also made our AI models and data sets freely available online so that other researchers can join our effort in this rich research area.
With the exponential growth of scientific publications today, researchers now need to read large numbers of papers very efficiently.
The Semantic Reader Project uses AI to identify the most important sentences in a paper so that researchers can read them in a non-linear fashion or skimming. It also uses different colors to highlight sentences that convey different types of information, so that researchers can very quickly find out the key findings of a paper, for example, or the methods or the goals.
While following citation is one of the most common ways researchers find new papers to read, it can also be very overwhelming. The Semantic Reader Project tackles these issues by using AI to identify the most important paper that you should read next, and highlighting the most important information.
We use visual augmentation in the reader, things like highlighting the most important and relevant citations to the current user, rendering margin notes and showing pop-ups to contextualize them, ultimately helping users to find the most important needles in the haystack.
Research papers can often be filled with technical terms and math notations, so it can be very difficult to comprehend, even for experienced researchers.
The Semantic Reader Project uses AI to identify these terms and their definitions and render them in situ explanations so that researchers doesn't have to switch back and forth between different pages to understand these terms that they're encountering. Further, we use AI to generate simplified summaries for complex passages to guide users through reading difficult documents.
Another opportunity of focus is to help users better leverage the related work sections in each paper.
So related work sections also summarizes multiple prior works, but they often do it in a way to support a single paper's viewpoint. So they only provide sort of a partial view to the larger research landscape. The Semantic Reader Project provides intelligent clipping and cross-document reading support so that users can piece together many related work sections across different documents to gain a more comprehensive view of the bigger picture.
Lastly, accessibility concerns arise for blind and low vision users, as a typical PDF file may not be compatible with their assistive technology devices.
We use AI to convert PDFs into more accessible formats like HTML or XML, which does work well with these devices. So in the Semantic Reader Project, we demonstrated both in the lab and in the wild how incorporating AI support can greatly improve the effectiveness of reading research papers, something that we as researchers do every day. The development of intelligent reading interfaces opens new opportunity to further AI research in scholarly document processing, especially when paired with user-centered approaches validated in real-world user scenarios. So recent advancement in large language models also enable researchers a wide range of new AI capability that can be used in reading interfaces. So with our open models, data sets, and software, we hope that it will enable and encourage other researchers in the area to join this rich research direction.
Find out more in the Semantic Reader Project, a research article in the October 2024 Communications of the ACM.